Did you know that when you add these four letters to the end of a lot of German words, it can make it sound cute? Introducing chen, that's C-H-E-N. Why is it that sometimes there's chen at the end of animals or objects? The most famous word that uses this is Hallöchen, but that's a greeting. And then you can add it to the end of a bunch of animals. So like Hündchen, a little dog. But then sometimes it's not animals, like a cloud. Wölkchen. How did they decide this? I don't know if there's really an English equivalent. I guess we add I-E, Y, or I-E-S to the end of a lot of things, like cutie, kitty. But then other times, I-E-S can mean like a group of things, like ladies or babies. Now I'm realizing that German and English are both quite confusing when it comes to cute little things.